is me and my brother sitting on Santa's lap in 1976.
This is me and my kids, Christmas of '98.
This is the very first gaming console I ever got.
This is a picture of me and my brother in 1975, and he is still one of my best friends today.
This is a Christmas village. My grandfather had the entire collection of it. When I look at that, it reminds me of my grandpa.
I like this picture because I just graduated college and my sisters were just getting out of high school, and I was there with my mom and dad. We're enjoying a great Christmas. Family's important to me.
Christmas is a very special time in our house. It's something that we look forward to every year.
That picture is my 3 beautiful children, and they are my pride and joy.
This is Emma Sky's first Christmas, and she is the absolute joy in my life.
This reminds me of all the festive times that our family shared together, and it's just about pure family love.
This picture is of me on my very first Christmas here in Colorado. First time seeing snow, first time being with Advanced Assembly family.
Last Christmas with my beautiful family in Universal Studios Hollywood.
It's a family photo, but we offed ourselves.